Hi friends, today I'm going to show you an easy way to reset the font style to default on an Android phone. Full guide. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment a heart. So without wasting any time, go to your phone settings. Scroll down and press on display. Now on this page, you'll find the font size and style option. Press on it. Don't make the mistake of skipping the video after seeing the font style option, because I'll also explain a few more important settings. Once you enter the font style section, at the top you'll see the default option. Default and font style settings means your phone is using the original or standard font that came with the system. It's the basic text style set by Samsung and hasn't been changed to any custom or downloaded font. After selecting default, you'll see two more settings. Bold font makes the text appear thicker and darker than usual. This helps improve readability, especially for people with vision difficulties or in bright lighting. Font size controls how big or small the text appears on your screen. You can increase it to make reading easier or decrease it to fit more content on the display. Let me know in the comments which settings you choose. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.